Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries Mother's Day full guide. Start by washing and drying berries thoroughly, then set them on paper towels to finish drying. Melt chocolate slowly over a double boiler or in short microwave bursts, stirring often. Insert skewers for easy dipping and use parchment for neat cooling. Choose toppings like nuts, sprinkles, or drizzle white chocolate for contrast and arrange on a pretty platter. Warm and friendly, let me guide you through each dipping step for shiny chocolate-covered strawberries perfect for Mother's Day. Heat chocolate until smooth and glossy, then keep it warm for consistent coverage. Hold berries by the stem, dip fully, and twist as you lift to remove excess chocolate. Rest each dipped berry on parchment and add toppings while the chocolate sets. Finish with a drizzle of contrasting chocolate and chill briefly before presenting. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find it helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride whenever you're headed to deliver treats. I mention it because scent and presentation both matter when gifting, and it pairs well with a sweet car ride. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a polished finish, follow these simple but effective steps to elevate your chocolate-covered strawberries for Mother's Day. After dipping, chill them for a short period to set the chocolate without causing condensation. Create decorative drizzles by thinning a small amount of chocolate and using a fork for controlled lines. Add edible accents like crushed nuts or gold dust sparingly. Present the finished berries on a pretty platter or in a box with tissue for a thoughtful touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.